The garage door opener is located behind the air diverter on the right side of the vehicle. You will need to remove the front bumper cover to access it. Red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. The unit is located behind the air diverter indicated by the red arrow. Release the plastic clips, red arrow, and pivot the diverter to the center. You do not need to remove it. Squeeze in on the release tab, red arrow, and separate the wiring connection. Using your hands, push down on the plastic tab on the bottom of the housing, red arrow, and slide the unit out from the bottom. It comes out as a sealed unit. Make sure to clean the area behind it. Installation is the reverse of removal, and now you will need to reprogram the new unit. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.